To all the Christians out there, when you see your apologists and your preachers out there burning the Quran or eating the Quran,
and that's me too. Like what's that guy's name? Who's that guy that invaded AP last time?
or speaking like this,
You are a whore and a son of a whore. Are you a whore? Are your family whores? Are you a son of a whore?
are they really representing Jesus Christ, peace and blessings be upon him? Are they really representing you? Are they representing the Bible in action? The Bible tells us in Proverbs 15:1, gentle word turns away the wrath, but a harsh words brings anger. Are they living by that? The Bible tells us in Colossians 4:6 that let your speech always be kind, gentle, and gracious. Are they living by that? As a Muslim, I would never disrespect the Bible. I have an entire section in my library dedicated to the Bible. I keep it above the ground. I don't let it touch the floor. I don't burn them. I don't disrespect them. Even if I don't believe in the Bible being the Word of God, my religion teaches me to respect other religions, respect their literature, and show kindness to them. The Quran tells us, invite to the way of your Lord with wisdom and the best moral characters possible. And the Quran tells us in the 46th verse of Surah Ankabut, don't argue with the people of the book except in a way that is the best, meaning in the best moral character and gentle advice. That's why as a Muslim, I respect the literature of other religions. I don't burn images of Jesus. I don't disrespect the Bible. We discuss on evidences. Now you, Christian apologists like Dr. White and others, I want to ask you, do you think that these Christians are representing you?
The last two girls I had sex with before I went to jail, one was 13 and one was 15.
As Christians out there, do you want to support these kinds of people? Do they represent what you believe about Jesus? Is this the way Jesus would act?